Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your AllTrails app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then you come to this list here on your profile. Then you just go above this sign settings here in app. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here and you click here on, so you just uh, click here on to or try AllTrails for free here, and it's going to take us here in this list. Then here can you start your free trial here. So then it's going to show for you this list to add your card information. Then it's going to add video on your AllTrails app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.